Hello, we are here at Raylan Evans property in Pleasant Grove, Utah. We're going to be doing a repair test and matching test with the State Farm suggested RLS report suggesting a GAF Timberline weathered wood. We'll take a new bundle, open it up, get a shingle, and see if it fits. And so we have our new bundle of shingles. Take this and head up. This is a new addition. We're here to consider the main slopes. You can see damage there, and then a patch there, or a emergency tarp damage on this slope. Pretty weathered as well, so testing repairability. We'll take a shingle, let's see, right here. To complete a proper repair, you have to loosen the shingle that you're going to repair and the shingle above it and the shingle above that to access the nails. To remove the proposed shingle, let me take that nail. There's one nail here. It's being removed. You can see that this shingle has already started to tear. Removing this nail here. So that's one layer done of nails. Then we go to the layer above. Each shingle has 2 layers of nails that hold it in place. Pull that nail out. You can see that I'm not adding any additional unnecessary pressure or angle to these shingles to remove the nails. Nail there. Let's see. And then one more. See that nail there that I'm removing. So then we remove the proposed shingle add the new shingle. So as you can see, the existing roof, the new shingle is lined up with the existing roof shingle. Okay, flush. And then you can see that the new shingle is about, I'd say, almost an inch longer than the existing shingle. This shows that repairing this roof is not going to allow for a proper repair, because every new shingle that we add is going to be too large, and then this will not provide a proper seal, especially if it's having to adhere to a shingle here. It's going to overlap, and the ITEL and RSL said that this shingle is discontinued. This was the closest match, and this shows that the closest match is not a proper match, because one, you can see the color difference. That shingle is mismatched, but also it is not going to provide a proper seal, because this new material is going to be the wrong size. But for the sake of the video, we will try to add a couple nails just to see if these shingles accept a repair. So we lift the shingles up. It's not gonna work. Because the shingles are different sizes, that shows that we cannot complete a proper repair. I believe this roof had a sizable repair already approved, and here's the new material that we would have to use, and it will not fit due to the size. So a full replacement needs to be considered. Thank you.